In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files and share the link on Google Drive. So let's say you're on your Gmail account and you want to open Google Drive. So you can come over to this Google Apps. You can see Drive over here. Alternatively, you can come to drive.google.com and it will open your Google Drive. So you can go ahead and create a new folder. We can call it Papers, for example. Click on OK, and now you have your papers opened. You can see it over here. Double click to open. Now to add files, you can right click and say file uploads, or you can just go ahead to your papers where you have the papers here. Like in this case, I have all these. I can just drag and drop them here, and they're going to upload directly into this particular file that we call papers. Okay, so you can wait for them to be uploaded. You can see everything has been uploaded. You can come down here and you can share that particular file. You can close on this. So you look for papers. You can search if you want papers. You can search for it because there are many files. So you can see it over here. So you right click. Now you want to share. You come to share. Come to share like this, and then you can give the control, the type of control that you want the users, anybody with this link to have. So you can click and say anyone with this link to have the option to make him the viewer or commentator or commenter or an editor. So I want to make him an editor because he can comment, he can edit, he can change one or two things and this. So depending on what you have. So you can copy this link and you can say done, and you can share this with anybody that you're interested in sharing. Once you click this link, paste in here, you'll have access to those files that we just shared. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.